Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to install n8n on your PC for free. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply search for docker.com and choose the first option that you will get, and after that you'll have to click on download Docker desktop and choose what is suitable to your own operating system. I can choose between AMD 64 or ARM 64, and this depends on the operating system that you're using. If you are using the Apple, you're gonna use this two options. If you are using the Windows like me, you have to click on any one of these. Then after that, it will be downloaded just like so. And after downloading, you'll have to install it. And now once you open the Docker application, you need to head to the left side on images, then go and click on search images to run. And once you go and click on it, here you can find this search bar. So simply search for n8n IO, and here we need this one, the first option. Simply hit the pull button beside the run, click on pull. Then now you'll have to go to images. Then here you will have to click on the play icon just right here. Once you click on the play icon here, it will show you this message will pop out. Simply click on optional settings, tap on this arrow, and now here it shows you container name and host port. You can make it default host port or change it. Then click on run and it will be run just like so. And now you will have to go again and open the containers section. Then here you can find here that you have this n8n IO at this port. Simply click on this port and it will redirect you to this page, and now you will have to provide your email, first name, last name, and password, and they will use it in order to use n8n locally. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.